Hi guys, welcome back. So today I just want to explain you like how the Google Sheets which I am sharing in the WhatsApp will be helpful for you, or else how you can understand that Google Sheets. This couple of people has reached out to me like, can you please explain like how the Google Sheets works? So for that purpose, I'm doing a video of this. So here you could see the Google Sheets are already open. So how the Google Sheets basically work? Uh, to just start, like I have started this Google Sheets from May month. So that's why you could see it was from May month. So how I will maintain the data in the Google Sheet. So whatever the recommendations I keep posted in the WhatsApp, I'll update the same in the Google Sheets. Okay. So if you could see, I'll update these details like date, ticker, entry, target, stop loss, everything which I'll be sharing there. So I'll be entering here. And in order to calculate our statistics, so I'll be maintaining this cumulative ROI. Cumulative ROI is nothing but like, let me suppose say here, we have stop loss of REC limited 0.77%. So we have a target achieved of Indian Bull Finance 4.19%. So if I add these two, my cumulative return is 3.42. So similarly, at the end, you could see for every month, like what is our cumulative return for the entire month. Okay. Once we arrive at the cumulative returns, so I'll do average of this particular cumulative return and the return which is there in the trade right now. So if you could see, there is only one stock or two stocks pending in May month. So these two stocks are in trade at, I haven't mentioned like to book the profits as such, so that's why these two stocks are still in trade. So how this will get affected in the return till date, you could see here. You could see like in the May month we have achieved 287% in terms of cumulative return, and in trade we are having 27.57%. In total we got 314%, and this 314% is if you would have invested in all the stocks, then you would have got 314%. But practically it's not possible, and I don't want to manipulate the things here. That's why what I have taken, so I have considered this entire return of 315%, and I have divided it by number of stocks we have suggested. So in May month, if you could see, we have suggested around 33 stocks. Okay, here you could see the count. So 33 stocks we have suggested. Likewise, you can find an average return of 9.54% in the May month. Similarly, in the month of June, July, the same way, it will be valid for all the months. And if you could see the long term, so these are the recommendations which I would have provided for the long term. You could see I have provided Laurus Labs and Mastec and SFL recently. Yesterday, I have provided SFL recommendation. So this long term return is nothing but the stocks which I have suggested for the long term. So in this, I haven't considered this long-term moderate risk and long-term aggressive risk. Though it is also having good profits right now. Like if you could see, Senco has delivered a phenomenal return of 30% for us. And though the rest of the stocks are like at cost or not more than 5 to 6% from the price what we have suggested, but still I haven't considered these two. So that's how the return till date sheet works. So you could find from May month till 14th of October. So we got 40% return inclusive of long-term recommendation. So it includes both our booked returns as well as in-trade returns. Okay, and whatever the stocks like I have suggested for every month, I will be segregating those stocks month wise. So you could see in October I have suggested these stocks. So you could see the entry, target, stop loss. These three things generally I'll be providing in the WhatsApp. So in case if you are a new joinee to the group, so you don't have access to the previous data in the WhatsApp, so you can use these sheets. So here you could see like if there is any 1 or 2% variations, you can just take the fresh entry. Like in case you got return till date, let us suppose say ONGC have recommended at 191, but right now it's trading at 185. So your stop loss is 180, and you just got a very good risk reward ratio if you got to enter now. But in case if you see Anthony Waste, it's already given 11%. I don't recommend you to take any fresh entries as such, even for 6% Utkarsh Bank. So I don't recommend you to take any fresh entries. Like if the stock is trading negative, then it's okay. Like it doesn't have any significant impact even if you take trade at that particular point of time, because you got to maintain the stop loss. That's where like you will be protected. But in case if the stock is already up, I don't recommend you to take a new entries, because the risk reward is getting affected at that particular point. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. Like in case if you have any doubts regarding this Google Sheets, so you can ping me on my number. Like I have posted one number for queries, so you can just ping me on that particular number. Hopefully this video might help you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.